Today I'm going to teach you how to put a border around text in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a great way to highlight important sections of your document or draw attention to specific text without permanently altering the original content. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document where you want to add a border around text. This will open your file in the main workspace, ready for editing. Now look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll find various editing tools available in Acrobat. Click on the Draw Freehand button, and from the options that appear, select Rectangle. This tool will allow you to create a border shape that frames your text perfectly. With the Rectangle tool selected, click and drag to create a rectangle over the text you want to border. Don't worry about getting it perfect right away. You can always adjust the size and position later. The key here is to make sure your rectangle covers the area of text you want to highlight. Once your rectangle is drawn, right-click directly on it. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This opens up the Customization panel where you can control exactly how your border looks. In the Properties window, click on the Appearance tab. This is where all the visual customization happens, and you'll have full control over your border's style and appearance. Navigate to the Style section and click the drop-down menu beside it. Here you'll see various border style options like solid, dashed, or dotted lines. Choose your preferred border style from this list. Each style creates a different visual effect, so pick one that best suits your document's purpose. Next, navigate to the color option and click the color picker. This opens up a palette where you can choose your preferred border color. Whether you want something bold and eye-catching or subtle and professional, you'll find the right color here to match your needs. If you want to add some depth to your border, you can also customize the fill color. Click the color picker right beside the fill color option and choose your preferred fill color. This adds a background color inside your border, which can be particularly useful for making text stand out even more. Now navigate to the opacity setting. Use the slider here to adjust the transparency of your border and fill. If you want a subtle effect that doesn't overpower your text, slide it towards the lower end. For a more prominent border, keep the opacity higher. This step is important because it lets you control how much your border stands out without completely blocking the underlying text. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click OK to apply the changes. Your border is now complete and wrapped around your text exactly as you designed it. And that's it. You've successfully added a customized border around text in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.